Alright, so I think I got the 3 to 1 and 5 to 1 connection between Jupiter, Saturn. So it's all about, again, the left and right hand of God. Right, left hand to God. So, start with the left. Okay, what we have here is essentially 3 to 1. Right, we have 3 to 1 because there's a 3 here. Okay, Saturn is a circle 3. You have 1 in the Jupiter, and then you have a big Saturn made up of 3. 3 to 1. Now, on the right hand of God, it's the Jupiter side. And basically, everywhere you look, Jupiter means 5. Okay, this is a 4 by 4, which could be like a circled 4, which is a 5. A circled 4, which is a 5. A circled 3 is a 5. Okay? 5, 2, 1. One Saturn, 2 Saturn. There's two different. This is a 1 by 2 Incy Wincy spider, okay? And this is a 1 by 3 Incy Wincy spider. (32 times 5 is 160, plus the 14 circled 4 magnets, plus 14 magnets make 174 magnets inside heaven. 5 to 1, 3 to 1. Again, 5 to 1, 3 to 1 applies to the cell because you need to have 3 wheels on each of the faces. You know, 6 faces, 3 wheels, and then 5 wheels on each of the 8 vertices to get 3858. So, like, you know, the plan of ET. What plan are we solving for? Didn't mean to do that, but yeah, what planet are we solving for? You know, these are observations of time and Earth. Luminaries in Earth, observed from Earth, to solve for what? Maybe the Earth is a third-dimensional consciousness name for our home, and Planet X or Nibiru would be a fifth-dimensional consciousness. Again, fourth dimension of time. It's 5 columns. Doesn't matter which way you look at it, or 2. 52, the omega. Duality. You gotta make the V before you make the X. On the stairway to heaven. God, I can't believe they mentioned stairway to heaven. Like, literally, I can't listen to music when I'm doing stuff. What do you think chronic means? There's 3, 8. And there's a circled 8. That's a circled 5. 3, 8, 5, 8. Okay, but these two are circled. 1, 3, 4, 9. 1, 7, 9. 1, 1, 6. Great, because 16 would be circled 6 or a 7. A 7 with a 1. Because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters in the verse. If you take 2 away, then you're left with a circled 3, a circled 8, a circled 5, a circled 8, and a 6. Get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. The C repeats because the beginning matches the end. Or whatever. There. Everything's accounted for. Which means they would be, like, I guess, depicted as a ring of 6. I know 6 is complete, so we're looking at this one way, right? We're looking at the flux capacitor 1, 2, 3, 4. Always. I never talked about the other way. This way. You know, like the 1 of 7 of 13 way. Maybe those two count when you understand the cell. Because then, you know, duality. Maybe it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in circle. Maybe that's why it's complete. Because you understand the duality, okay, of the G, the two different streams. Never cross the streams, guy. When you cross the streams, bad shit happens. And start again. Oh yeah, remember I do the yeah, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. I don't remember. Anyway. Alright, that's a circle 4, it's a 5. That's doubly circle 3, which is 5. Circle 4 is a 5. Shows you that 5 is made 3 ways because you have to understand 3 to 1. 3 to 1. You have 1 and 5 here. But it's all made of 5s. It's like base 5. And then that's your 5 to 1 connection back over here. And here you have 3 5s, which is your 5 to connection over here. But then you also have a 2, and 32 times 5 is 160. Plus 14 magnets on each of the axles is 174, which is quite important to know. About the planet ET of Planet X, of Nibiru, of element 115, yeah. 33 circled 5 times is 38. That should be a, you know, if properly depicted, go down peg, but then you have to count for every time it's circled, and that's circled 5 different ways. Because it's all part of different things that are circled down, different bubbles. Every time you have a bubble around it, you have to minus the number. And if we were to do it to that one and just do 34 in plain view, but eventually get circled as a 1 by 1, it'd be a 33, just like that would be a 20, that'd be a 12, that'd be a 7. Everything changes, guy. 1 of 7 of 13 is going to be a 0 of 6 of 12, of 109, of 2142. It's all perspective. Gat. Like... a gat. A gat. Circled. Anyway, building blocks of reality and life and DNA and stuff. But no, never mind to that. Huh. Still like that America was founded in 1770 VI 6. Midway. Is, you know, fuck yeah. It's like the knot of the bow tie. 77 is just a circled 76. Making a V, guy. Just like you're making a V here. Okay, you're going from the 13 to the 4 to the 13. You're making an angled V. You're making an angled V. Okay, I don't know, you're making a W here. That's why the left side is feminine, guy. It's a W for woman. The chevron is just pretty much feminine sign as well, but we're not talking about that. We're talking about that. Talking about G. Guy. Talking about guy. Gal? Eh. Groom. It's all pretty amazing. Okay, it's in everything. It's in your language. Yeah. Well, maybe it doesn't get to be a word unless it does this. Sure. I don't know. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, 44. I kept talking about the sun. 44, 44. You know, kapow, kapow. And kill the sun. Wow. It's the Church of Saturn guy. Church of Saturn. It's just think of it this way, okay? You need 4 Saturns to make a Jupiter. You need 4 Saturns, you need 4 to make a Jupiter. You need 1, 2, 3, plus the 3 for Saturn in Jupiter. It's already in Jupiter here. Saturn is in Jupiter here. You need 4 It's a W to me. And how many Saturns do you need here? Okay. You need, I guess, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You need 13, obviously. You need 13 Saturns to make a Jupiter. Boom. Because it's, you gotta make the woman before you make the masculine guy. And put it all together. You gotta read this way. That's insane. Yeah, you're in a cell, guy. You're insane. I don't mind being called in and to be completely sane. You know, we say be less you, and that's socially acceptable. We don't say be more, but we call people morons, and that's bad. Fucking chronic. Anyways, I haven't even, like, I can't listen to music. Too distracting. Like, seriously, guy. I'm right about a lot of stuff here. It's the planet of ET. What planet is it? X. Marks the spot. I'm just planting seeds, guy. Jeez. You know? I hope you find these interesting. I'm a little shell-shocked. 13's pretty important, guy. Hell. It's a 3 to 1 because it's the 12th letter. 2 to 1 is 3. Well, it's a 5 to 1 because it's a 50 and it's just a 5 circled, which is the Roman numeral for V. For balance. Circle V in a cell. Balance, you know. On a different plane. Did I do that right, man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I guess 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. Well, circle 13. Circle 13. That's better, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if I did it right. How do you explain that in a book or something? Four times 4 is 16, 14, 16 circled, 160, 14, 174 magnets needed in heaven. No, I need more constructs. Okay, how about you send money my way so I can eBay some constructs, or you can eBay some constructs and send them to me, and I can make all the different things and cannibalize them. But I need a lot of parts to do that. I can't even make a constructs model look more proper because that's how poor I am. You guys are all so very much behind. So behind, guy. So many things, so many examples, so many synchronicities. I'm seeing it now. A lot better. Kind of creepy, eh? Like, seriously. Understanding the God particle. And like basically all of Freemasonry is pretty hard to handle, I'd say.